Jesus Christ. It's a
He knows we're recording it too.
I know.
Press the button right there, play. That's what he did, he said play.
We're jackasses.
Can't even imagine what's on that shit.
Right.
No, I already know. I guarantee you, if I took that shit off, it's raining man. How much you wanna bet? I got everything in my pocket. I'll bet that shit.
Absolutely.
Nah. He might try to like scratch on my ass.
Can I touch it? I just want to touch it. Just turn around. Let me touch it.
That's his jam.
This is jam.
That's his jam.
No, that one is look.
Don't ever be like that, buddy.
I'm on it. I'm on it. Like this. You know what I mean? I'm on it. Like this. Hey, money. Like policy.
I box, I get in that mood, I'm working out, but I don't put shit on my head, right? But I'm not like I'm not doing the Carlton right now. Am I right? I'm 50 right now.
Oh man, I get
I want to do it.
I bet you don't even have any music in the headphones.
I have that.
No, I bet you don't even have any headphones.
Keep your head back, it was in the shot.
Oh, sorry.
You know what he did? He took some long pants. I'm gonna cut this shit.
Exactly, because I'm freaking.
I'm gonna
And just like cut that off.
You know his pickup line, right? You know his pickup line, right? Come on, baby, you want to go to Jamaica? Come to my house, I'll put some sand on the floor, and turn up the heat, put on some. Shut up!
This guy's really enjoying himself.
I know. He's gonna be. This is like famous YouTube material type stuff.
DJ.
That's DJ Freaky King.
Yeah.
DJ Rainbow.
DJ Rainbow.
You look like you just put on the closet.
For real. He probably did.
Practicing it.
He's like talking today.
I'll take it. I'll take it. Don't get me wrong. As long as he ain't pointing me, as long as he ain't doing that.
He's like, I'm gonna take off the rainbow.
It's like you only got one move.
Oh no, he got more before he got on the train. He was really going. Oh yeah, oh yeah.
Sometimes he probably got a strip club in his house.
I'll get scared.
Yeah. Somebody send the guy
Oh my god, I'm scared. I hope you don't get off that
We're gonna remix it when we get home.
Oh, I really want to dance with you, man. Can I dance with my mom?
Dude, I I could watch this all day. It would still be funny.
Yeah, I know.
Oh. You put the DJ system in? Flip it. He's turning it up. Look. No, but don't kill me. Armani, you see that? You're not gonna be like that. You like Toto. They gotta know that that's what he's gonna like. It's Toto.
This isn't the first time I've seen it.
See how he just covered his mouth and I was going like this? He goes, the last one he covered his mouth. Cover it. Like this. Like this.
This is gonna be like an hour-long video.
Dude, is he ever gonna stop?
No, he's got all the energy in the world.
What type of crack is he on?
I'm on a party.
You look like one of them club buildings.
That he holds in, all you hear is
Exactly. And he's just sitting in the middle of the dance floor. I can see it right now.
look. Touch it again. All he does is do his things. Love you. Bye, girl. Love you, mommy. Love you. Bye-bye. Give me a kiss. Love you. Bye, girl. Bye-bye. When you get home.
Fresh out. He's fresh. Yeah, he's fresh. Out fresh. Yeah, I think so.
I could watch this all day and it'd still be funny.
I know, I would laugh so hard. This is gonna be like an awesome YouTube video.
How long can this guy do this?
I don't know how long. He's,
I'm sorry. But yeah, send it over to American Funny Video.
yeah.
Put that shit on YouTube.
This dude got some stamina.
What's the name? So I can look it up and laugh again.
What's our YouTube channel name?
Which one do you want to put on?
It's Strobe Dancer 44.
Remember that. Yeah, I'm gonna look that up.
Don't ask about the name.
We'll have to remix it.
And like maybe a couple of shots. But then playing Palmer Son and then everybody. Oh man. See, just look at him. He probably has some Palmer Son. He said, yo, I'm gonna kick it. I'm gonna kick out the tracks.
All he goes is
Probably had a couple of pints. Probably had a couple of pints. Like, yo, I can think. But trust me, I don't feel this ain't the first time you've done it.
Go practice.
Alright, he's been doing this for about 8.5 minutes.
God damn, why are you dancing like that on the train?
Exactly.
You just want everybody to laugh at you.
Yeah. Well, it's working.
See, you want somebody to dance with. Where's Ricky
Move
Martin?
away.
Yo, you got a little Levita. You got a little Levita. Levita? Loca.
I wish they got more.
For real. All he's doing is like turning it up and like fucking with the thing. See, I told you. He's a bitch. Get him. See?
Yo,
He's
I told
fucking
you.
with the DJ system.
Yo, you probably got some like DJ Nero type shit. I bet you got a pretty Xbox 360. He's sitting there playing DJ Hero.
Oh, hell no. Okay.
I hope somebody video recording all this now.
Oh, he got the whole deal. He got the whole thing.
Maybe I'm sorry. You're gonna be stuck with this fool. I'm so worried.
No, come on, don't get off, man. Don't get off.
He's going.
No. Come on, stay.
Wait, now you can dance with him. He's got an off.
fight.
Get the fuck out.